Ito na yung legacy na iiwan namin sa Magna Prime. Na eventually, the next generation, we will build a better generation of architects, engineers, and contractors. But of course, kung kaya natin makita yun habang nandito pa tayo, we will do it. We will do it together with you, together with Magna Prime. Isusulong po natin itong industriya para maging world-class po yung ating industry. Maraming salamat sa inyo. I invite you to be catalyst of game changers. Maraming salamat. God bless you all. Thank you for coming.